So obviously, right when I was about to move this big beam here, my phone battery went dead. I don't have the charger here, so I couldn't charge it. So I finished the job and I went home, grabbed my charger, charged it a bit, and now I'm back here because I wanted to explain it before I forgot, how I did it. You saw me cutting this one, and the cross piece came out pretty easily. So that wasn't a big deal. This one was a different story. I was able to get the two pegs out that were holding it in up here. That's kind of cool. I just kind of like had a screwdriver and I just kind of wiggled them, and they eventually popped right out. And then I had to cut it off at the bottom, and it didn't want to come out. It's been in there forever. So I just jacked this beam up a bit just to take the pressure off of it. It came out, and then I let the jacks back down, and everything seemed to stay very solid. Nothing creaked or made any noises. It seemed good. So now it's out, and it is probably better than I thought it was going to be as far as room goes. Come up. It's going to be a railing here, and you'll just turn and walk right through here and then into the bathroom. Now, when you're coming through here, this beam right here is low, but you don't feel squished by it as you're walking through. There could be more room for sure. We may have this be like a slider, like a barn slider door, so then you don't have to worry about space, and hitting things and whatnot when you're opening the door. This area through here will be the laundry room. Plenty of room for a washer and a dryer. It's amazing how much room it feels like there is now. It feels a lot more open. So this is my sweet music setup. I stole this from my kids. It Bluetooths to my phone, and it actually has really, really good speaker quality. And then I just plug it into this jump box to make sure that it stays charged. Works surprisingly well. And if I wanted to cast, yeah, see, it does stars. It's really cool. Basically like a professional DJ thing, Pretty awesome. Today's gonna be a clean day, cleanup day. It's important to keep your workspace clean, and I've really kind of let mine get out of control. It's got bags of stuff, all the offcuts, a mountain of sawdust, barn beams that are in my way, disorganized tools. So needless to say, it just needs to be picked up a bit. That's why I brought my new boombox, just so I could listen to some music as I'm cleaning. I made some progress. Mostly just shifting stuff around. The whole point of the closet was to make it as big as I could, leave room here if I wanted to put a dresser against it, so it didn't stick out past. Make sure that the door to the room can open to the closet wall. And I really just liked the angle. I don't know, I really like the way it looks. The inside of the closet, this is 4 foot right here. So I'll have 2 bars in there. And then you're gonna have a really cool little nookie shelf built in there. found out that the 8-foot level that I was using, or 7-foot level, was off. One way was on, one way was off. Yeah. This wall needs to go over a 1/2 inch. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy. This is nailed in everywhere. What was I gonna do today? Like that. Oh, I'm stupid. This could go all the way across. That's really dumb of me. Wow. All my nailers are in. That's 54 inches. It's a 30-inch door, 12 inches on each side of the door. This one's not as intricate. The door will open this way. Built-in bookshelf. We're thinking the bed will be over in that corner. The bed could also fit there. This bedroom also has one of the big windows. Check it. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. It's a big closet.